Good day, YouTube. This is my weight loss channel. I'm having some success here with intermittent fasting, and we'll just show it right up here on the red line. I weighed myself, I'll put in this number because I think this might be accurate. I have to do a weigh-in, or I should be doing my weigh-in tomorrow with Man vs. Fat, and it'll show my progression here. I started off the year, January 1st, I was at that weight right there. And I think I did a video here, and I knew right there I was stalling out. And what you'll find when you're trying to lose weight is this is normal. Where you have points where you're not losing weight, points where you're losing it really fast. Really easy to begin at the beginning of trying to lose weight. It's very easy to lose a lot of weight quickly and then slow down or stop or fail. All these things are possible. So I just thought I'd talk about this briefly. The other thing is, if anybody wants to do it the way I'm doing here, this is off the Google Drive. So if you have a Gmail account, then you can go to Drive, and I just switched to the Drive, google.com, Drive, /drive, /my drive, whatever. Everybody gets one if you have a Gmail account. And you just go to New, and you go to Sheets. In any case, and then it's just a spreadsheet, and obviously here, what I type in here goes onto the chart here, and then I have a further section out here where out this way I put my recipes and what the calories are. Down this way is the journal entries, and there's some days missing there because I'm just not as perfect as I'd like to be. Anyway, so July 30th, I was at 290. And this is right now, August 16th, so July 30th, 2 weeks later. I don't know why it says week 4. Sorry about my nose. Could it be 4 weeks? Yeah, I guess it could be. This could be July 30th, a week goes by, July 7th, and this is a week gone by, the 14th, right? Actually, it'd be July 6th, and this would be the 13th. Now, tomorrow will be the 17th, so the 20th will be the day we'll be looking at for here, but Man vs. Fat, the first week weigh-in will be tomorrow. So this isn't following Man vs. Fat. This is following my own. So this, I may have to change this to a lower number yet, if I weigh less. Any case, that is this whole chart system. Oh, I was just going to mention, if anybody wanted to do the chart, I believe it is it on View? Grid lines, formula zones. No, it's not on View. Column chart. It's on Insert. So on the Google spreadsheet, you do that plus thing first. You do 2 rows like that. You would select this whole area here from the 0 there to the 9. And let's see if I can get this to go away. Let's just show you what we would select here. Go down like that and select it like that. Then you would go to Insert, and you go down to Chart, and you click on that, and you would suddenly have everything that you want. You'd suddenly do it into a chart, or do it into a bar chart. And if anybody's really curious, I can show you how to make it into a line chart. It would do bars instead of this line chart. And then you have all kinds of options. So I thought it's a really cool way to put out my weight. Any case, sorry about my nose again. I will show you Man vs. Fat. This is my latest entry. I made a comment on a guy who's been missing some meals, or he's like, and I just said I'd found skipping meals works well for me. And I stopped a number of years ago because an overwhelming amount of people were telling me not to do it. Turns out it was working for me as a teen. As a teen, I went down from well over 200 pounds down to about 175, I think. I was a 29-inch waist, which is incredibly thin for me. It didn't really work well. I was getting sick. I was too thin. So basically, yeah, and then I describe what I'm going to eat, what I eat today, and I'm trying to keep it well under 2,000 calories. And I'm not succeeding, but I'm coming close sometimes. Although this day looks like I'm at 1,600 calories plus 100 calories. And on top of that, I probably have different little disorders. I'd rather eat the same meal over and over and over again. I don't like variety. It works really poorly for me. So I find it better for me just to eat the same thing over and over and fall into some routines of the same, expecting the same meal. And so anyways, I just thought I'd do a little video saying how things went, and it's all good. Catch you later. Good luck losing weight. This is working for me. This intermittent fasting, I wouldn't advise doing any of their paying any money for this. You can do it all for free. And even the groups, even these group things, it's Man vs. Fat. Each day we log in and we chat about things. And this is Man vs. Fat. I'm in the group Salsa. And it just to show you that, you don't need to pay money for any of this stuff. Anyways, thanks a lot. Have a good time trying to lose weight. Check it out. We'll see you around. I guess make a comment or something. I'll definitely comment back. Anyways, you have a good day.